Electrochemical series and its significance. Different electrodes have different electrode potential. Standard electrode potential for few electrodes are given. In that hydrogen, it is having standard reduction potential 0. What do you find from this particular table? Here the metals are arranged in the decreasing order of their standard reduction potential. From this we can define electrochemical series. Electrochemical series. It is the arrangement of metals in the decreasing order of their standard reduction potential values, that is SRP values. That is called as electrochemical series. So here is the electrochemical series. The various metals are arranged in the decreasing order of their standard reduction potential. Here hydrogen, which is having 0 SRP value, above that we have positive SRP value, below that we have negative SRP values. Significance of electrochemical series. The metals with lower value of SRP displaces the metal ions from the solution which have higher value of SRP. For example, magnesium has lower value of SRP, copper has higher value of SRP. Therefore, when you take the reaction of magnesium with copper sulfate, it forms magnesium sulfate and copper. Magnesium will displaces copper from its solution, so it forms magnesium sulfate and copper. If you observe the table here, magnesium, which is having the SRP value minus 2.37 volt, whereas the copper, which is having the SRP value plus 0.34 volt. That's why copper has higher value of SRP, magnesium has lower value of SRP. So magnesium will displaces the copper from its solution. Significance of electrochemical series. Second significance. The metals above the hydrogen in the electrochemical series do not displaces hydrogen from dilute acids. Metals below hydrogen in the electrochemical series displaces hydrogen from dilute acids. For example, copper reacts with dilute HCl, there is no reaction. When you consider magnesium, magnesium reacts with HCl, forms MgCl2 and hydrogen. Here magnesium displaces hydrogen from dilute acids. The reason is magnesium has negative value of SRP compared to the hydrogen. Look at this particular table. Copper is having higher value of SRP, that is 0.34 volt, than the hydrogen. Hydrogen is having 0 SRP value, whereas copper is having plus 0.34 volt SRP value. That's why copper cannot displaces hydrogen from dilute acid, since it is having higher value of SRP and it is having higher position in the electrochemical series than the hydrogen. Whereas magnesium, it is below the electrochemical series, below positions it is having, that means it is having lower value of SRP than the hydrogen and it can displaces hydrogen from dilute acids. It is having lower positions than the hydrogen in the electrochemical series, so it can displaces hydrogen from dilute acids. Third significance of electrochemical series. Metal with lower value of SRP are good reducing agent. If you look at this particular table, here lithium is having the lowest SRP value, that is negative SRP value minus 3.05 volt. So lithium is the strongest reducing agent. Fourth significance of electrochemical series. The ions whose metal have higher value of SRP are good oxidizing agent. If you look at this table, among these three elements, gold is having highest electrode potential, that is 1.43 volt. So among these three elements, gold is the strongest oxidizing agent. So let us sum up the electrochemical series. We'll take some example and explain the strength of oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Here is the electrochemical series. When you consider this electrochemical series, elements at higher position in the series have higher reduction potential. They can be easily reduced, hence they are stronger oxidizing agent. Fluorine being at the top is the strongest oxidizing agent. And here if you see this electrochemical series, from bottom to top there is an increase in the power of oxidizing agent, and at the bottom side it is a weakest oxidizing agent, and at the top is the strongest oxidizing agent. Also, elements at lower position in the series have lower reduction potential values. Higher oxidation potential, they will be having higher oxidation potential. They can be easily oxidized, hence they are stronger reducing agents. Lithium being at the bottom act as the strongest reducing agent. If you look at the series, lithium is at the bottom side and it is having the lowest SRP value minus 3.05 volt, and it is the strongest reducing agent. Here when you consider this electrochemical series, from top to bottom there is a increase in the power of reducing agent, and at the top it is having weakest reducing agent, and at the bottom it is having the strongest reducing agent. We take one problem. Given the standard reduction potential values, arrange the metals in the increasing order of their reducing power. Here is the SRP values of different metals. E naught of Cr3 plus to Cr is minus 0.74 volt. E naught of Hg2 plus to Hg is minus 0.92 volt. E naught of K plus to K is minus 2.93 volt, and E naught of Mg2 plus to Mg is minus 2.36 volt. E naught of Ag plus to Ag is 0.80 volt. So to get the solution, we should have one thing in our mind. The metals with lower value of SRP are good reducing agent. And in the given data, the one which is having lower value of SRP is a good reducing agent. Solution is like this. The arrangement of metals in the increasing order of reducing power is. So we have weakest reducing agent Ag. The order follows like this: Cr, then Hg, Mg, and the strongest reducing agent is potassium. If you look at the data, the metal which is having the lowest value of SRP is the strongest reducing agent. Here potassium is having the lowest SRP value minus 2.93 volt, hence it is the strongest reducing agent, and Ag, it is having the highest SRP value, it is 0.80 volt, hence it is the weakest reducing agent among these metals.